Okay? So close your eyes and go to sleep.
No.
Oh, I'll do this. Yeah. Good night, Casey. See you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Tomorrow's gonna be a new day.